Malware operators do not tend to change much, while at the same time changing constantly. In fact, new malware is one of the few things that we can truly always count on, even when the tactics used to spread that malware remains the same. A recent malicious email campaign has been spreading a new, feature-rich remote access Trojan known as Nerbian RAT. The malware campaign is pretending to be from the World Health Organization and is encouraging victims to download and open a Microsoft Word document that claims to be COVID-19 information, but actually contains malicious macros to install and run the Trojan. Nerbian RAT is written in Go, making it cross-platform, and includes features like the ability to track your keystrokes and capture screenshots, as well as encrypting its communications with the command and control server. The malware also includes features that make it much more difficult to identify and analyze. Acronis Cyber Protect includes AI-powered and behavioral detection engines, enabling it to detect not only existing malware, but new malware like Nerbian RAT to keep your systems safe. At the same time, Acronis Advanced Email Security prevents malicious emails like the ones used in this campaign from even reaching your inbox in the first place.